I just watched a YouTube video that's 4.5 minutes long in order to show you how to do something that really only takes a few seconds. I know I don't normally do Excel stuff on this channel, but I feel I need to do this one just because I'm annoyed at how long that other video took. So I'm going to show you how to do this in under a minute, or maybe a little over, just because of this intro bit where I'm talking too much. All right. I've got this chart, and it is basically a bunch of dates, as you can see here on the left. But what's happening is Excel is filling in the blanks. So it's basically giving me nothing here for the no values. I want to get rid of those. What you need to do here is double click down here where the dates are to pull up this Format Access option. If I click off really quick, and if you click on the chart area, you get Format Chart area. So make sure you're clicking down here where the dates are to get Format Access. In Format Access, this option here, Access Options, click this little down arrow at the top and then hit this one here that says Text Access. And you see what happened to my chart? It removed all of the missing dates. And that's it. That's really all you need to know in order to do this. So yeah, I didn't get it under a minute, but at least I'm under 2 minutes. All right, hope this helps. Have a good day.